Hi, I will be demonstrating our prototype for the Salesforce CKUGA project. First, I'm going to demonstrate how to reach our community page. Currently I'm in the Opera browser. I'm going to post the link here. This is the URL for our community page. Here's the home page for our community page. I'm also going to demonstrate that it works in multiple browsers. So here in Firefox, also reach the home page. Now the functionality of the website works as the following. Go to weekly donations. So you can see we have our weekly donations tab here. Create a new weekly donation. And you can look up any of the food donors. I'm going to do collective harvest. And it auto sets to the current date and create. Also, as you can see, you can only create new records and you cannot edit them. You see here, you can't edit or delete, no actions available. Also, a couple of validation rules that we've set. If you go to other donor, see other, and you do not enter a name in this other donor box, it won't save. Additionally, if you do choose a food donor, and then you write something in the other donor box, also won't save. Weekly distribution works in a very similar way. You go to the weekly distribution tab, press new, search for your destination, auto sets to the current date, and create the record. We have similar validation rules on this tab. So if you go to other, and you don't type in anything there, auto sets to the date, but it won't work. Same way as the other one, if you do enter something here, it still won't work. And you can't edit or delete. Now for the back-end functionality, first one, generating reports. Go to the Salesforce site, logged in. To generate reports, you go to the Reports tab. And here are the 4 reports that the product owner mentioned that they wanted to run. Here's the food recovery report. And to export it, you can send it into an Excel file. You can change the dates here and run the report. Same goes for the other types of reports. Client delivery report works a similar way. Food distribution report works the same way. And the food recovery report, sorted by category, also works the same way. For creating client interaction records, you can see here, here's some sample records we made. Can also be edited to change the delivery status. The way we did that is we coded in Apex. Go to develop, Apex classes. Here are the 2 Apex classes. Schedule master, here's our Apex code. Schedule flow, this runs the schedule master. And that's how client interactions were scheduled and created. So that should demonstrate the back-end functionality as well as the community page functionality for Salesforce prototype.